सारे बोलो
जय माता दी। So welcome back to another vlog and happy Karwachauth to all the women and men out there. And we have been fasting today the whole day. We both are fasting. Nitish is fasting, Ashley is fasting. So we are like super hungry. And we are finally going to get ready now. And Mayank is making the puja plate where we have like 5 puris, a little bit of sugar, and then he's making the diya. And we're gonna do the puja and then head out for some delicious dinner. Over here is Astro, and there he is very hangry today. Marvel. Ashley is getting ready. I'm also gonna get ready. We are wearing sari and super excited to see to do everything. And then yeah, it's going to be a Karwachauth vlog. Yeah, and also it's the first Karwachauth for Nitish and Ashley. So it's a first Karwachauth for them and 4th Karwachauth for us, right? Yeah. So it's going to be a Karwachauth vlog. And let me show you what he's doing. Okay. There is a plate. And those are the diya that he's making. And done. Do you need anything else for here?
I think some sweets and water.
Let everybody see your face at least. Say hi.
Hey.
He has been in Atlanta and he came back yesterday.
Okay, before.
Yesterday
morning.
Yesterday early morning at 3 o'clock. And he has been working since morning, so now he's free. So we thought let's just get this done. Okay guys, I am ready. Oh my god, so excited. We are wearing sari. I'm actually wearing sari after, I think it was last year Diwali. Babe?
Yes.
Yeah, it was last year Diwali and now I'm wearing this.
It was this year Bhaiya's wedding.
Oh, it was this year's Bhaiya's wedding. Yeah. And then this is the sari. I'm wearing it for the first time. It's a green color, very simple plain sari. Let me show it to you. So this is how the blouse is. This is the back, like this, and this is a very simple plain sari. It has no design in the sari. It's just the outline, like boundary is the silver color. So I love it. It's very light. And here is Mayank already. You wanna show yourself once?
Yes,
He's lighting up the diya. There he is.
don't show the slippers.
And there is Nitish. I'm gonna show you someone special in the end. But look, he's wearing jeans. And are you guys ready now? Here she is. It's her first Karwachauth and look how pretty she looks. Wow, I love it. She is wearing literally everything from bangles to sindoor to jewelry, every single thing. She looks so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna do the puja and we'll see you after the puja with some delicious food that we're gonna eat. And we'll see you sometime.
last. Outside.
I think so, let's see.
Or you can put just a table.
Actually,
Okay.
yes, you are going out. We will see you later, okay?
So we all 4 are going out to eat some delicious food.
Wear my shoes on.
Let's go. It's really cold outside. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not windy. So we changed like in 5 minutes because we all were so hungry. So let's go and eat now.
Okay people, we are here all ready to go, waiting for Nitish to come out. That was a big tikka you put.
That's what I said, you wanna wipe it.
Yeah, I will. We are going to an Indian restaurant around here. We already took take a look at the menu like 5 times during the day and got very hungry. We shouldn't have done that. So we are excited to try all the food.
So we are here. It's called Swagat Indian Cuisine and we all are going there. literally we will be running towards the restaurant.
Towards the kitchen maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, towards the kitchen.
Leftovers, you can first start bringing those out. Then you can place the order.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we have decided the menu. Where we are gonna eat one veg platter, and then we are gonna have butter chicken masala, paneer masala, mutton rogan josh, and Peshawari naan, garlic naan, rumali roti, tandoori roti, plain naan, right?
Yeah.
And one dal bukhara. Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah. So these are all the things that are gonna eat. Super excited. I'll show you when the food comes. Finally, papad is here. We're gonna start eating. We like literally finish this off in like any second.
In India they serve papad and sweets.
She'll get to know everything.
They don't serve that in North India. I've never seen them doing that.
Papa?
Masala papad.
Masala.
Thank you.
Thank you. Honestly, right now Papa is tasting like the world's best food. We are so hungry.
Oh yeah.
So fun. Did you taste it?
Wow.
Look at this guy.
Whoa. Wow.
Okay guys, this would disappear in like 3 seconds, so before it happens we really want to show you our platters here, which looks delicious. So without much further ado, we are all gonna jump in.
Okay guys, we have a rice, tandoori roti, garlic naan, this is dal makhani, butter chicken masala, what was it?
Rogan Josh.
Rogan Josh, and this is paneer makhani, Peshawari naan, rumali roti. Oh my god. And we are all super excited now.
Alright, so do not stop.
Oh my god, this is so good. It's not at all spicy. Okay guys, we're all done. So stuffed. There's literally, we have full little here. We have no space to breathe. So stuffed. Everyone is all stuffed and full and satisfied now.
Except me.
Except him. Yeah, he's still eating. Dal makhani is gone. Bless you. All the naans are gone. You can see everything is empty. The food was so good. I have not eaten this good Indian food in any restaurant in Florida till now. So good.
Somebody else's name to somebody else.
Oh my god, it's so good.
A wrong people to a wrong people. Yeah.
Show the boxes. Look at everybody.
We are all very happy.
How is everyone feeling?
Good and satisfied. Stomach is full. We are all happy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy in our tummy, tummy, tummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Where are we going next? So we are gonna go to the state fair, and I guess we have to pick tickets or something. That's why we are going to a place to pick the tickets first, and then we are gonna go home. Okay, no smoke yet. And it's starting to get cold. The temperature is gonna get down around 45 or something in the night. For people in India, I'm talking in Fahrenheit, so don't think 45 is not cold. In Celsius, it's like 9 degrees or something. So we are gonna go home now.
Oh my god.
Look at her.
let me at least sit and close the door. He started driving before me even sitting down.
Okay guys, we got the tickets. She got the tickets for state fair. These guys also got the tickets. And we are going to the NC, North Carolina State Fair tomorrow.
जोर से बोलो जय माता दी सारे बोलो
Jai Mata Di. Oh my god, that was so cute. Oh my god.
This is the food speaking. I think we all are little,
Too full.
yeah.
Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di.
मिलके बोलो
Jai Mata Di.
माता दी मिलके means
Okay guys, I think this is what's gonna happen for next 2-3 hours. So we'll see you guys at home.
Oh my god, I got that on camera. I got that on camera. Oh my god.
Let me take
So-
a picture before it falls off.
Ashley baked this beautiful cake for Nitish, but everyone is gonna eat it. Happy first Karwachauth. And this was just about to go in his face. Marble rock! Marble! Ah, he ate. Come on, come on. Time to cut the cake. Dun, 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 dun. Happy Karwachauth.
God, just look at this thing.
Just so you guys know, this Ashley bakes amazing cakes.
It's falling apart.
Here, push it back together.
Oh my god, look
There
at
we go.
this.
It's falling.
Get up. Yeah, there you
There
go.
you go. That's good.
The first Karwachauth cake.
God. It's regular.
Feed her, bhaiya? She has to eat on her own.
You've been quiet.
Nice.
Hello?
Okay guys, we are back home. We came home a while back and then we were just sitting and talking and other stuff. And now we are off to bed because we all are super tired from the day. And we are sleeping in this loft area here. And we'll see you guys in our next vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed our Karwachauth vlog. It was a very tiny Karwachauth, like a quick version of Karwachauth, but we had so much of fun.
We didn't have anything during the daytime, so
Yeah. So anyways, you want to say good night? Okay? Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. And yeah, just check it. See my mehendi. This was a chemical mehendi. So that's why it is black color even after removing it.
We'll put pictures.
Yeah, we'll put lots of
that we
pictures.
took today.
Yeah. So good night. Bye-bye.